Hello everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Celeste and I like to experiment. So from time to time I come up with wacky ideas and some of them work and then there's the ones we won't talk about. Anyway, this worked. So I've been working with a new tool. This is a brayer, a paint brayer. I haven't used a paint brayer very much, but I have two of them, two different sizes, and I've been just randomly using stencils and quick dry paint and getting them onto just regular paper. This is, I think, a 32-pound printer paper, nothing special, but I've been playing around with it. These three are examples that I just finished. I reduced them from the A4 size, and on my photocopier I can reduce by a percentage. So I took it from 100% down to 40%, and then it prints out to this size. I have no idea what is this size. This is 4 by, roughly speaking, 4 by 5. So let me show you the originals. For this little guy, here is my very large A4 size original, and I'm going to do one with you so you can see how it works out, how this comes about. And then for the little pink one that I just finished this morning, it's also just rolled on paint with some doodles. And the very first one that I tried was this yellow one, and I went bananas on the colors. It's like, whew, color. But you know, once it's reduced, I think it actually looks really nice as a mini. So I'm going to put all this aside and roll on some color and do some doodling when the paint is dry, and let's see what we come up with. There we go, all done. The only pens I used were the two uni balls, oh, upside down, a black and a white, that's it, and then just a little bit of yellow paint in the middle. So those are the only two pens, and what I did off camera was just to color in the larger areas because I felt like they weren't really popping off the page with just an outline. Other than that, I put in a couple of little white lines here and there, but nothing more. I think it turned out really, really nicely. This one might actually be my favorite. I just love the colors. I think that they work well together. So I've gone ahead and done the mini. So there is my mini. I wonder if I can get these. Oh, can I get them all? I think I can get them all in like that. So my minis are cute. I love the minis. I think they're going to look really nice as a little, maybe just a little card of some kind. I've mounted them onto some watercolor paper because it's the thickest paper I have on hand. But any kind of cardstock would be fine. So I think these are going to look really nice in a journal somewhere. And let me see if I can show you a little up close. And then I will say goodbye until next time. Oops, this way. You guys, thank you so much for joining me and going on this experimental little venture with me. I think I'm going to do a lot more of these. It's a lot of fun and it's quick and easy. The quick dry paint that I've bought is super inexpensive. It's I think 58 cents at Walmart, so it's very affordable to do this kind of painting. Well, thank you again, and we'll see you next time. Bye.